Hi Harman. India would be playing an international match after 1 year. Do you think there would be rustiness as you all step out to the field in the first ODI? And according to you, what would be the key to ensure that all of you are raring to go from the very start?
Uh, Hi Roy. I don't think we are feeling any rustiness or something, but we are very excited. I know it's a long time, long break for us, but uh, sometimes things are not under your control. But we all are very excited, and I hope we will have a great tournament.
Shayan Acharya, you can go next.
Hi, Arman. So good to see you after a long time. It's that you'll be playing your 100th ODI if on Sunday. So how is the whole experience? If you could share your thoughts. What are you looking forward to?
First of all, thanks for reminding me because I didn't know that. Yeah, I'll be very excited because first of all, playing after a long time and then my 100th ODI. I think both things will give me a lot of energy to play, and I hope I'll do better.
Anuj Mishra, you can go next.
Aman, just wanted to know what was the reason behind not to select Shikha? Like she has been the India's leading wicket taker in ODI since her debut in 2014.
See, I know it was a very tough call, but sometimes you need to give chance to other players. She's not dropped. We are just giving rest to few players, and we just want to try another players. And I think because I know we're playing after a long time, we wanted to go with the same combination. But at the same time, when you don't have too much, you didn't play too much cricket, and that time you need to just sometimes you need to take some chances and try to give chance to other players. And I hope after this tournament we will able to set our a great combination because next 2-3 years we have a lot of cricket coming up, and that is the reason we're just giving chances to few other players.
Neeru Bhatia, you can go next. Neeru, can you hear me? You can go next. Okay, we'll take Neeru later. Can we go to Snehal Pradhan, please?
हाय हैरी सो 10 साल वो डेब्यू मैच बॉरल में 2009 वर्ल्ड कप से 10 साल नहीं इनफैक्ट मोर देन दैट थिंकिंग बैक वो हरमन और आज की हरमन एज अ प्लेयर एज अ पर्सन क्या एवोल्यूशन रहा है, क्या फर्क पड़ा है, क्या चेंजेस दिख रहे हैं आपको?
You mean you're talking about myself or like cricket players?
Individually आप में एज अ प्लेयर एज अ पर्सन.
As a person, see, if I talk about as a person, I have learned a lot क्योंकि इस टाइम में मैंने बहुत अप्स एंड डाउन देखा है. माइंड आई वाज प्लेइंग गुड क्रिकेट और कभी-कभी फॉर्म वाज हियर एंड देयर. तो उसके दौरान मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, एंड आई होप जितना भी मैंने अभी तक एक्सपीरियंस क्रिकेट से मुझे मिला है मैं अपने टीममेट्स को वो सारा शेयर करूं. और आई होप कि मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से उनको जब कभी भी डाउनफॉल आता है तो वो वो कैसे वहां से बाहर निकल सकते हैं. तो मेरी जो चीजें मैंने सीखी है मैं उनको कैरी फॉरवर्ड करूं. और that's all like I just want to do as a player.
Neeru Bhatia, do you want to go now?
Yeah. Anand, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me
Yes,
now?
yes.
Yeah. Hi, Harman.
Hi.
Harman, just wanted to ask, talking about the South Africa team, they have a lot of established players and they have a settled look to their squad. So how challenging does it become to go in with a bit of an unsettled squad, because there are a lot of new faces that will come into the Indian side. तो वो कितना challenging होता है या होगा?
Yeah, before this series, we got 4-5 days to set our combination. और आज भी like we had an open nets यहाँ पर we tried some combinations, and I am sure before first game we will fix जो भी हमें करना है और कैसे हमें अपना बैटिंग लाइनअप और फर्स्ट 11 कैसे सेट करने हैं. बिकॉज आई नो न्यू फेसेस आर इन द टीम, बट विल मेक श्योर कि आने से पहले वी विल बी 100% श्योर कि हमें हमारे कैसे बैटिंग लाइन और बॉलिंग लाइनअप से जाना है.
We'll take Karunya Keshav next and then Anisha Ghosh.
Hi, Harman. I just wanted to know, when there's been a long break, there are concerns about injuries generally. What steps are being taken, and how is the physio and team management approaching this for workload management?
See, when you're working so hard, you're playing cricket back to back, there are chances to get injured, but we have been very lucky that we have a great sport staff जो कि हमेशा हमें throughout the tournament, throughout my career and other team members also जो हमेशा support करते हुए आ रहे हैं. So I think as a player you always need good sport staff, and we are very lucky that we have that. And I'm great that great physios and sport staff are working with us.
Anisha Ghosh, you can go.
Hi Harman, good to see you preparing for an international series. इतना जो लंबा ब्रेक रहा है while India were not playing cricket, बहुत सारे बाकी टीम्स पाकिस्तान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, उनको बहुत सारे मैचेस खेलने का मौका मिला है. अगले दो साल बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, ओडीआई वर्ल्ड कप, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स एंड द T20 वर्ल्ड कप. आपको लगता है कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंग्लैंड, इन टीम्स के मुताबिक इंडिया का कुछ खास नुकसान हुआ है? बिकॉज एक साल बहुत होता है ना खेलने के मुताबिक.
You are right कि हमारे लिए बहुत लंबा ब्रेक था, but sometimes things are not under your control. और अभी हमें क्रिकेट मिल रहा है ना, we will make sure कि हम इस टाइम को अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करें, और आगे आने वाला जो टाइम है हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, and we will make sure कि हम अपना बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन बनाएं और आने वाले मैचेस के लिए हम अच्छे से प्रिपेयर होकर जाएं.
We'll take last few questions. Sudarshanan, you can go ahead.
Thanks, Harman. This is after a long time की टीम में बहुत नए faces देखने मिल रहे हैं, whatever the reasons be. तो what's the mood in the camp? क्या what have these new players brought in, and who has impressed you most at this point?
Well, सारे के सारे बहुत अच्छे हैं. Actually, I didn't play domestic for long time, तो मैं उनको personally नहीं जानती, लेकिन meeting them during this camp, I think बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Sometimes जब आपकी टीम में नए players आते हैं तो उनसे आपको बहुत एनर्जी मिलती है, क्योंकि प्लेइंग फॉर कंट्रीज लाइक उससे ऊपर कोई चीज नहीं होती एक प्लेयर के लिए, और उनसे जो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी टीम को मिल रही है, आई एम श्योर कि उनके टीम में आने के बाद हम लोग और अच्छा करें और एज ए टीम हम और ग्रो करें.
We'll take Sharaddeep next, and then Indrajit Sengupta from ABP. Sharaddeep, you can go ahead. Sharad, if you can hear me, do you want to ask a question? Okay, we'll get back to Sharad. Indrajit, you can go ahead with your question, please?
Yeah, Harman, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Harman, do you think that this South Africa tour will be a preparatory camp for the upcoming World Cup?
See, every tournament is important for us, and definitely South Africa is one team who have done very well in last couple of years, and I think आगे आने वाले टूर्नामेंट्स के लिए साउथ अफ्रीका जैसी टीम के साथ हम लोग काफी टाइम के बाद जब खेल रहे हैं, तो हमारे लिए ये काफी एडवांटेज है कि उनके सामने अच्छा परफॉर्म करना, सो दैट जो एक साल हमने क्रिकेट नहीं खेला है और वापस से वो कॉन्फिडेंस लेकर आना.
Okay, final two questions. Snehal Pradhan, you can go ahead.
Harman, 1 week at the stadium for a few days. Can you give us an idea of what the pitch is likely to play as?
हमारा फर्स्ट डे जो नेट्स हुए थे स्टेडियम के अंदर, वहाँ पर विकेट वाज लुकिंग वेरी नाइस, एंड आई होप हाई स्कोरिंग मैचेस होंगे यहाँ पर. और एज ए क्रिकेटर और एज ए टीम हम भी ये हैं कि हम लोग जब भी 50 ओवर या T20 कोई भी फॉर्मेट खेले, अच्छा हाई स्कोर गेम्स हो, एंड विकेट भी बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है. आई होप हाई स्कोरिंग गेम्स हो, जो कि वुमेन्स क्रिकेट के लिए काफी अच्छा है.
Okay, final question from Prasen Mudgal.
Yeah, hi Harman. How is it for you personally to sort of come back after the World Cup? Of course, you did play the Women's T20 Challenge as well, but for you to sort of come back on a personal level, have you worked on something specific? And एक senior player होके टीम में क्या आप पे pressure है, or is it just a matter of getting your skills onto the field and just getting onto the field to play the match?
See, for me, I always want to enjoy my cricket, or चाहे लॉन्ग ब्रेक हो एज ए प्लेयर आपको आप जितना एंजॉय करते हो उतना ही आप हमेशा अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हो। समटाइम्स व्हेन यू आर नॉट इन ग्रेट फॉर्म और व्हाटएवर, लेकिन अगर आप एंजॉय करते हो तो आपको हमेशा देयर आर ऑलवेज चांसेस टू come up and perform for the team. And as a player it doesn't matter कि हमने लास्ट काफी टाइम से क्रिकेट नहीं खेला, लेकिन अब जब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है एज ए प्लेयर आई वांट टू परफॉर्म फॉर द टीम।
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone.